In just minutes, the people of the state of New York versus Donald J. Trump move to the start of the main event, opening statements. You're looking at live pictures from downtown New York, the courthouse in Manhattan. Soon the judge will gavel in and seat the jury for the first ever prosecution of a former United States president. Minutes ago, we watched Trump walk into court after his motorcade arrived at 100 Center Street. We expect him to stop before the cameras and talk before heading inside to confront the judge and the jury. Prosecutors will chart the roadmap of what they intend to prove, how they say the former president helmed a scheme to bury the details of a sexual encounter with an adult film actress in the final month of the 2016 campaign. I'm Anderson Cooper in New York. You're watching CNN's special live coverage of Donald Trump's hush money trial.
And I'm Jake Tapper in Washington. Today, a courtroom collision filled with history-shattering precedent and a stark possibility that one of the two major candidates for president this fall will be a convicted criminal. Sometime soon, the government and the defense will give two very different narratives about what happened in that closing stretch of the 2016 campaign. Prosecutors plan to present a mountain of evidence, documents, and witnesses to corroborate it all, alleging that Donald Trump engineered a plan to buy the silence of Stormy Daniels, with whom he allegedly had a dalliance, and allegedly cover up what he did by falsifying business records. Now, the defense plans to paint an altogether different picture, to argue that the prosecution's case is built on puzzle pieces that do not fit together and built around the lies of convicted perjurer Michael Cohen, the former Trump fixer who has sworn to exact revenge on his one-time boss. Today, we may see a critical prosecution witness named David Pecker. Pecker is the tabloid mogul who alerted the Trump orbit that Daniels was shopping her story of a tryst with Trump. That's the first domino in a long chain of events that ended with Trump facing 34 criminal felony counts today. Let's get right back to Anderson, live outside the Manhattan courthouse. Anderson.